Good morning, it's day 14 and it's also sunny, and it really, I'm just so happy to see this sunshine, and it's just amazing. It feels like Christmas, honestly. After so much wind and rain, it is just amazing. So I was gonna leave Fish Week today and go somewhere else, but man, it is just so nice. And apparently there are amazing walks around here, so I'm gonna go and have a really nice walk today in the sunshine. Shorts are on, which they have been anyway, but shorts are on, and I am gonna go for a really nice walk. I'm gonna have a smoothie now with blueberries, banana and baby spinach, just to kick the morning off, and I will see you all later on a really nice walk. It is just so fantastic to see the sunshine again. I was beginning to wonder if it was ever going to come out, but here we are, sunny, and it is just fantastic. So whatever it is you're doing today, have a wonderful day, because I am having a sunny day, which is wonderful. So I will see you all later, and enjoy whatever it is you're doing. Bye for now.